Find or read reviews that people are talking of Juswanna 20V electric leaf blower with 2.0 amp battery and charger. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Juswanna 20V electric leaf blower with 2.0 amp battery and charger. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Juswanna cordless leaf blower adopts turbocharging technology to deliver a maximum air volume of 130 mph and 140 cfm in performance, with strong power. The wireless electric leaf blower will more efficiently and effectively on garden care and backyard landscaping work. Meanwhile, the cellular radiator design at the bottom effectively reduces the risk of overheating safer and is more durable. 20V max rechargeable air blower up to 30 minutes, real runtime, in lower speed one which is suitable for cleaning hard surface like sidewalk, driveway, or turning. About 13 minutes run time in high speed 2 which is suggested to clean the lawn and turf. Equipped with the fast charge technology, only 2 hours is fully charged. Juswanna cordless leaf blower weighs less than 3.7 pounds, you can easily operate it with one hand and take it to multiple places to do cleaning tasks. The hand grip is wrapped with flexible rubber, providing more comfortable grip experience. The dynamic LED display on the battery pack provides you with clear information about the battery level and charging status. You need press the battery button to know the battery volume. This battery-powered leaf blower provides you with 2 levels of adjustable speed. The high-speed mode has an average no-load speed of 130 mph, and the low-speed mode has an average no-load speed of 60 mph. Juswanna leaf blower battery-powered. Suitable for all usage scenarios. Could help you easily convert from indoor work to outdoor work. With adjustable blowing tubes, people of all heights would find out a comfortable using experience. Sweeps debris from shops, garages, driveways, outdoor yards, and gardens, fell wet leaves or clears hard to reach surfaces. Juswanna home dryer blower is also capable of effectively removing snow, dust, debris, spider webs, and drying your car surface. This cordless blower can be assembled in 1 minute, all parts are clear at a glance, all functions are controlled in one button, you can get started when you receive it. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.